I've just read Boris Johnson's election manifesto, which, if, like me or someone who's worked in the NHS for the last 9 years, is pretty difficult to do. Needless to say, it's filled with some very eye-catching, dramatic NHS promises. He has sworn he'll deliver 50,000 new nurses in the NHS. That's on top of the 6,000 new GPs he's going to magically deliver, not to mention the 40 new hospitals he says he'll build. We know, of course, that that figure was immediately debunked. It turned out to be only 6 upgrades of existing hospitals, but that hasn't stopped him repeating it over and over again. The reason I'm speaking out now is because I am absolutely sick of hearing pledges like these year on year, when actually every year the underfunding and the understaffing of our NHS just gets worse and worse and worse. It is hard to see how a government, a political party that truly cared about patients, would ever treat them in this manner. My NHS patients matter to me more than anything, more than party politics. I just want to do a decent job for them as an NHS doctor. But I can't if the NHS is being failed, if we don't have the resources to care for people properly. I work in palliative medicine, so I look after some of the very, very sickest patients, and I can tell you that something that's even harder than caring for somebody who is distraught because they're losing their life to cancer, for example, is that patient fearing and suspecting that their cancer proved to be terminal because there were delays in starting their treatment. Cancer treatment should start in days. No delays are acceptable, but now there are patients who are waiting months for their treatment to begin, and that is wrong. It's completely unacceptable. I desperately, desperately want the NHS to continue to be a magnificent British institution, but I cannot see how that is possible with any further years of a government like this.